3 and 3 cancels out each other. 12 divided by 4, that gives us 3. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, if you have multiplication and division present in an expression, you must work from left to right to solve them. In this expression, if you notice, we have division and multiplication present, and we have a fraction operator present in between too. So according to the rules, we have to work from left to right, so we should solve this part first. So 12 divided by 4 over 3. This is not 12 divided by 4 divided by 3. This is 12 divided by 4 over 3. 4 over 3 is a fraction here. So we can use KCF rule here to solve it. Keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep 12 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication operator. And flip means we flip fraction 4 over 3 to 3 over 4. And then we have times 3 present from the original expression. If you notice now that 4 and 12 both are divisible by 4, so 4 divided by 4, that gives us 1, and 12 divided by 4, that leaves us with 3. Let's simplify it further. So we have 3 times 3 present here. This over 1 doesn't matter because it's anything divided by 1 is the same number, so 3 divided by 1 is 3, and we have times 3 present from the original expression. So now the expression is much more simpler. 3 times 3, that gives us 9, and 9 times 3, that gives us 27, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.